Birds are essential for maintaining ecological balance. They control insect populations, pollinate plants, disperse seeds, and serve as prey for other animals. Their interactions contribute to the health and diversity of ecosystems. Birds play a crucial role in pollination, especially in regions with fewer bees and insects. They transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the reproduction of flowering plants. Birds aid in seed dispersal by consuming fruits and excreting the seeds in different locations. This process helps plants colonize new areas and maintain genetic diversity. Certain bird species, like hawks, owls, and kestrels, help control rodent and insect populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides in agriculture. Bird populations can serve as indicators of an ecosystem's health. Declines in bird populations may signal environmental problems that can impact other species, including humans. Birds have cultural and aesthetic value. They inspire art, literature, music, and cultural practices. Birds are often seen as symbols of freedom, beauty, and transcendence. Birdwatching is a popular recreational activity that generates economic value through tourism and related industries. People travel to different regions to observe unique bird species. Studying birds provides insights into ecology, behavior, migration patterns, and evolutionary biology. Their long-distance migration contributes to our understanding of navigation and orientation mechanisms.